Hello, my name is Diane Severino. I am a Fletcher Pilates teacher, and I am here to teach Fletcher Pilates, and so happy to be in Seoul. My first trip here. Well, I've been teaching Fletcher Pilates since 1973. Ron Fletcher was my teacher, and I subsequently had the honor of taking over the studio in 1980-81 and kept the studio going when Ron was off doing his workshops, etc., for over 20 years. He was a wonderful teacher. You can know the work, and he invented a lot of these movements, but to communicate it so that you can hear what he's saying and give it back to him. You know, a teacher can be so critical, but he had that joy in him when he saw you doing the movement. Oh, I'm so glad for the honor of having to speak these words to you all. Thank you for having me.